Hello, Foxtecc community. Today, we're delving into a common concern that many iPhone users may have encountered, the dreaded black screen. It can be quite frustrating, but fear not, we're going to explore some troubleshooting steps to get your iPhone back in action. First on the list is the power cycle. It's a simple yet effective method to tackle various issues. To perform a complete power cycle, hold down the volume up button and the side button simultaneously until your iPhone powers off. After waiting a few seconds, attempt to turn it back on. This straightforward step often does the trick for common problems. Now let's talk about screen brightness. Swipe down from the top right and adjust the brightness toggle. Sometimes a seemingly black screen might be due to low visibility. Maximize the brightness, especially in well-lit environments, to rule out any visibility issues that might be causing the problem. If the power cycle and brightness adjustments don't resolve the black screen issue, it's time to look into potential battery problems. Investigate any unusual battery behavior, as it could be a contributing factor. A healthy battery is crucial for the overall functionality of your iPhone. Now, here's where things get a bit more serious. If the previous steps prove ineffective, it's worth considering the possibility of a hardware problem. However, unless you're a professional, determining hardware issues can be challenging. In such cases, it's recommended to consider sending your iPhone for repair, either through Apple or a trusted third-party service. If you're still facing the black screen issue, or if you have additional concerns, it's time to seek further assistance. Reach out to Apple support or explore professional help options for a comprehensive resolution. They have the expertise to diagnose and address more complex problems. Before we conclude, don't forget to check out the Foxtecc educational platform. It's free to access, offering a variety of courses to enhance your tech knowledge. Find the link in the description below and start exploring more today. Thank you for joining us on Foxtecc. If you found this troubleshooting guide helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more tech insights. Your support means a lot. Until next time, peace.